Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Install only way from your App Store and grant location permissions when prompted. Open the app and tap Allow when the system requests location access. If your device needs developer mock locations, enable that setting in System Developer Options. Go to Settings, Developer Options, and choose Only Way as the mock location app. Before you change anything, create a backup of your current location settings and note any GPS-related app configurations you may need later. Search for any address or drop a pin to pick a precise fake GPS coordinate. Use the map controls and zoom to place the pin within 3 to 5 meters if you need precision. You can also enter coordinates manually for exact latitude and longitude placement. Adjust altitude or accuracy radius settings to mimic realistic GPS behavior before saving. Tap Save, then activate to apply the fake location to your device immediately. Open a map or location app to confirm the device reports the new coordinates after activation. If the app still shows your real location, toggle Only Way off and on and reapply the fake coordinates. Some apps detect fakes with anti-spoofing. Try adjusting accuracy radius or use a realistic movement route to reduce detection risk. When you are finished, deactivate Only Way and restore developer mock settings to default to return your real.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.